everyone, welcome along to Having the Crack.
Whoops.
What's up everyone, welcome along to Having the Crack. It's back on the Sierra. It's been a little while since we've done an update, but we have been working away on it. Might look slightly different to the last video, main thing being the engine is not in there anymore.
Missing.
Where's it gone?
It's gone to Mr. Yandel, DY Engine Services.
Big in the game.
Big in the game.
What else have we done? Bit of fabrication work inside it at the back and on the bulkhead at the front. So we'll have a look at what we've done in the back, and this video will be how we've made up the bulkhead, and we're just making up this little structure at the front here. I don't know if you can see. Can you see?
Structure.
What's that doing?
This is supporting the arms that are holding the arms. Does that make sense?
Arms that are holding the arms.
Arms that are holding the arms.
And yeah, let's have a quick look at what we've done in the back, and then we'll get into how we made the bulkhead.
Hello.
What have we done in the back?
Oh, we've been making some panels in here, connecting the rear chassis to the front, like the middle chassis. There's a little box section there. See, little triangles. Yeah, they're all tied in. All is tied in now. Made a bit of an upstand. Made these panels up. Put a panel back here. Panels in here. All a bit prettier. This is staying open because the radiator's going here. I think fuel tank here somewhere.
Yeah. Sound like you know what you're on about.
Yeah. And this bit's. I'm not sure what I'm doing with this bit yet. I think I'm putting a bit of alley in there and then a firewall up here.
So
It's the plan.
So you don't know
yeah, it's not fully planned, but you know, I made a start, haven't I?
Make up as you go along.
Absolutely.
Right. Let's do the bulkhead. Front bulkhead.
Well,
we've already done it, but you'll see what we've done now.
Let's get into it.
Right, come on then. Bulkhead. Where are you?
Bulkhead.
We've been putting it off for weeks.
Weeks.
Because it's
Better have a look at it now, honest.
weeks. So what we've done a little bit of chopping up of metal.
Luckily, we don't need a clutch master cylinder.
A little bit of extra room then.
Because all we need is like an electric clutch.
Oh.
Some description.
Yes.
So we don't need. Luckily, we didn't need room for a mass cylinder. Brake mass cylinder is going to go in here, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Just need room for a pedal, which is pedal will probably nearly touch the bulkhead. I would have thought.
Yeah.
We've got enough space for the exhaust to go down through here.
Let's come around and have a look at the exhaust.
Nothing's welded in. We're just starting to make it up here. Make it up as we go along.
It's all a bit tight in there.
Tight in there, yeah. So I think the bulkhead will probably carry on through this line.
Yeah.
So we've got a nice bit of space down the back for activities.
Activities.
So yeah, we just made these little bit corners up. Now I'm gonna make the bit that goes in here, I think. And then this bulkhead on the edges is probably gonna come down and then down to these corners, I think.
It will all make. Oh.
It don't make sense to me yet.
No, but you kind of obviously got some kind of image in your head. I didn't know what you're on about. I
There's
guess.
something in my head.
Yeah.
Trying to escape.
So it'll all come to fruition as we go.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, let's
Get into it. We got to cut something else. Measure the middle bit.
cut,
And then see if we can start gluing stuff together.
Gluing.
Yeah. With glue gun.
Blue tack.
Glue gun. We've got a glue gun here. Glue gun.
Glue gun.
Done.
Do it. Right. So first job, cut a bit more metal off, don't we? Cut a bit more. Bit of metal.
Right?
Yeah.
Marvellous. You've got to do some bends now.
Bender.
Measure it, cut it.
Bend it. Shake it. Just a little bit.
And then hopefully it fits. So this is not the correct way to use this bender, but you know.
If it works, it works, isn't it?
I ain't got no handle.
22 degrees, 2 degrees too much.
Looks good. Oh, look, not expecting it to fit, okay? Just got it up in here, isn't it? I would expect. That's near enough, isn't it? Should we just weld it in?
Right. It's about the standard level of giving a
Fuck.
fuck. Yeah, weld them on. Looks alright.
Send it. I think you have to come down like that and then like kick it in so it meets on there, I think.
Yeah.
So this would be on an angle up to here and then flat up here.
Yeah.
And then where to come flat to here. So it's nice and straight along here. So I don't know what to do with this bit here. Where to cut it out.
Such a well thought out process we've got going on here.
Making it up as we go along.
It is. That's the best way, isn't it?
I think I'm just going to cut that down there on the angle we're going to do, I think.
On the angle we're gonna do.
Yeah. And then that should slide.
Alright, let's do that. Whatever you just said, let's do that.
Let's do that, shall we?
Yeah, go on. What are we doing?
I don't know if I can commit. I can't commit.
Just commit. Cut it. And if it goes wrong, then we do it again. He's committed.
Good plan. I'll just cut a bit off. And then I can always cut it where we need it later on. Yeah, let's do that.
Right, what are we doing?
I don't know. I ain't got a clue.
Don't play there, not that bit. Fucked it now.
Have I done it right or not?
Fucked it now.
I'll match it for a minute so it looks good, shall I?
Yeah.
Even though this ain't the final cut. I might just trim the top so it fits in a bit nicer actually.
Yeah, go on then.
So it was pushing this up as we went in.
It's gonna fit.
Got to be near enough, innit?
Near enough, good enough. Oh, yeah. It's alright.
Yeah, I think so. Not too bad, is it? Got a bit of gap here, but nothing than big welder and a bit of hammering.
Can't fix.
That's alright.
So, happy with how that's roughly fitting?
Yeah. I'll fill it up with this glue torch.
Glue torch. Right, weld them on in.
Okay. I've just welded it round now.
Yeah.
Now we're just making panels.
Fabrication.
These
More
are,
fabrication.
yeah, these are made.
Who's your mate?
These are what I made earlier. They go in there like that.
Beautiful.
And then we're just doing arts and crafts to make these bits in here.
There's something else different as well. I've just noticed from when we filmed it last time.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Where you stood. There used to be an engine.
I am the engine.
We pulled the engine out.
I'll tell you
Down
what,
there.
engine and gearbox.
Engine and box are back out. Ready to go and see
Mr. Yandel.
Mr.
Better
Candle.
give him a shout. Get him on the case.
He's going to tell you to bin it and buy a new one.
Let's put red top in, shall we?
No.
Red top.
Sticking with the 2J.
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 Yes.
How it goes. How's it go?
I don't know.
How does it go?
We need Dave.
How's it go?
Is that how it goes?
Something like that. Something like that. Anyway, back to arts and crafts.
So, back to arts and crafts, make some panels.
Arts and crafts are over.
they sort of fit.
Bulkhead panels are made
Yeah.
and dry fitted.
Dry fitted?
Dry fitted.
Oh my lord.
That's what you call, that's what it's called, isn't it?
Yeah, so we just got a trim round here now, marked. We just got a mark around the back of these, and then make a bit of a lip, so it'll be welded on the inside, and then I'll bend the lip over a bit like this here, like, so it's welded on the inside and then bent over.
Yeah, bit of strength.
Bit of strength in it.
For when you drive into something.
Let's go with that.
Yeah. Same on the other side.
Yeah, done the same on the other side, so mark that up now.
Oh,
Cut them off so they're equal, so when they bend over they look equal.
it looks nice.
That's the plan anyway. Let's see what it comes out like in a minute.
Is that how you had it in your head originally?
No.
'Cause, yeah.
I was originally going to go from here all the way up to this. I was going to have this bit here
Yeah.
and then come all the way down to the swage line of the arch, but then we've got a nice little shelf now to put like brake pots on.
Fry some eggs.
And put my shopping on.
Your cheese.
Put the cheese on.
Blocks of cheese.
Yeah. What do they call it when it's melted?
Melted cheese.
Camembert. Camembert?
Camembert.
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 Camembert here.
Oh,
Because the exhaust will warm it up lovely.
Oh, quite.
Quite.
Well, better weather it in, that old chap.
Oh, bloody lovely, yes. Let's get them out and bend them up. Bit of bending.
Bend away.
I like to move it. It doesn't fit.
Me,
Modification needed. Little trim. Looks good. Good job.
now the other side.
I know I need to trim this bit. Like that.
First go. Silly. First go.
A little bit more. There's a little bit on the corner.
Ah, what a letdown.
Oh, sorry. Can't get the staff, mate.
No.
Better. That's right.
Sound.
Sound.
Make it all in.
Make it all in. Just glue it all in.
Welded. Welded.
Welded.
Ish.
Welded. It's not finished yet.
It's gone rusty, mate.
Yeah, I used
Is that because you took so fucking long doing it?
Yeah. We'll go with that.
What you got? What you got?
This is some gel stuff. Stop it warping. But it might be alright on a painted panel, but not on the bare steel.
Not on
Because I
fresh.
shook so long it went rusty.
It is a Ford.
Oh, it's in there.
Is water? Is it water? Is it like? Is it kind of like water based?
Always wipe it off.
Is it water based?
I don't know, do I?
We don't know. No, probably not. Oh, me trying to read.
Hold on.
Take
Hold on.
longer to read it
Hold
than
on,
you did
let me,
welding it.
Let me get it. Oh, that's better. I can see now.
Surely Granny Goggins on the Postman Pat.
It's old now, mate. I can't read.
So that's welded.
Oh my god, it's rusty in here.
That's that. What's next then? Get your handle up, sort the engine
Finish it
out.
off, I suppose.
Ah, there's only that's
Spray it, take a drifter.
yeah. Well,
Finished.
don't
I'm
need
gonna
to.
I'm gonna ring the handle because he wants to see about inlet and stuff. So turbo we can use.
Turbo.
But by that time I'll have finished welding this up.
Yeah.
And then I suppose next to be make some brackets round here for this. Maybe fit the wings,
Yeah.
bumper.
Yeah.
Have a look, and then we have to start in the back end.
We've chopped up these bars. Bars.
Yes.
Now you've got to weld them on, yeah.
Basically yes.
Right, so
Square them up.
yeah.
Get on there.
And
Make it
then,
look tidier.
and then make some strengthening
Yeah, little
bits.
triangles in the middle. Move these brackets to the inside. Bolt them through there.
These
and then
brackets.
and I can weld these onto the bar then.
These brackets.
These brackets onto
Can't
this
see
side.
your hands in the way.
These brackets.
Those brackets.
It's going to go on that side.
Yeah.
Bolt it through there.
Yeah.
Weld it up. I'm going to cut the front off then. Look. And then we can weld brackets off of these bits.
For the
And then bolt it on the front end.
intercooler.
Intercooler. Intercooler.
Pom 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 pom.
Intercooler. Should have enough space.
I think it'd be that big, is it? Surely.
Can't remember how big it is. Find out when it turns up.
Right. Well,
Let's get the MIG welder right.
welder on. All tacked in,
Yeah.
various positions, leveled.
Well, it says 0. Zeroed it with the subframe, so you know, should be alright.
Time for a proper committed weld now then.
MIG it in.
Come out, committed. Weld on. That's all our bars welded in. Now we're just going for some structural rigidity,
Bit of strengthening.
bit of strength with some triangular pieces. One there. Obviously replicate it this side, and we're going to put another one in here somewhere, aren't we? And we're
No, that's it.
going in here.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm not going in here.
No, just this side of it. Be enough, isn't it? I might put one on the outside. I'm getting excited.
Well, you are going to hit. Weld them on.
Get them on there.
Ooh, look at me, one-handed. Little triangular, fuck me, I can't even speak. Triangle strengthening bits are in, and we've also got these little brackets here and here to hold, what are these bits called? Arms?
Hold the arms.
Hold the arms on the arms.
Don't know what they're called.
But anyway,
Nissan bits.
Nissan bits, so just welding them onto our structure there, and these will be removable, won't they?
Yes.
For what reason?
Because they are on the Nissan. Just in case we bend one, I suppose. If we hit the arm or bump
When you hit the arm.
this might bend. Obviously, I'm going to box this in a bit, but this box might bend. Then we can just buy another Nissan one. Don't cut those.
Done.
Send it on.
So our little front structure completed.
Completed. That bit's done.
About it for this episode then, I reckon, innit?
I reckon that's a wrap, innit?
That's a wrap.
That's a
Wrap her
wrap.
up.
Right, see you later then.
Right, thanks for coming. Right, there we go. As I said, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you made it through to the end, because it is still the lovely,
Boring
fabrication crap. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, where we're going to concentrate on doing front end.
Front end, I think, yes. I think start doing the front end. Try and get the wings on.
Cameras over there, you prick.
Wings on and lining stuff up. Get the lights to fit, maybe.
Happy days. We'll see when we get there.
Yeah.
Adios, people. See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.